Hello guys, this is me Vijay Shan, presenting you the most important MCQs for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Friends, these MCQs are equally important for the JKPSC and UPSC exam. Today's topic is J&K Reorganization Act of 2019. So let's start. Question number 1. Jammu and Kashmir is specified under which of the following sections of the J&K Reorganization Act 2019? Option A Section 1, Option B Section 2, Option C Section 3, Option D Section 4. The correct answer is Option D Section 4. J&K is specified under Section 4 of the J&K Reorganization Act 2019 and Ladakh is specified under Section 3. Okay. Question number 2. The J&K Reorganization Act of 2019 allocated how many Lok Sabha seats to the Union Territory of J&K? Option A is 4, Option B is 5, Option C is 6, Option D is 7, and the correct answer is Option B, 5. J&K Reorganization Act 2019 allocated 5 Lok Sabha seats to the Union Territory of J&K. Question number 3. The total number of seats in the Legislative Assembly of Union Territory of J&K to be filled by direct election is 111. Option B is 107. Option C is 121. Option D is 129. Friends, the correct answer is option B, 107. 107 seats are to be filled by direct election. Okay. Question number 4. The duration of Legislative Assembly after the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 reduced from 6 years to option A 4 years, option B 5 years, option C 3 years, option D no change. Friends, after the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, the duration of Legislative Assembly reduced from 6 years to 5 years. So option B is your correct answer. Now question number 5 is match the following. Article 239A says that there will be an Assembly of Union Territory of J&K based on the model of Puducherry. Okay. So this is option A. Article 239 says that there will be an LG who will administer the government of Union Territory of J&K. So this is option B. Part 1 of the J&K Reorganization Act discuss about the preliminary points regarding the Act. This is option C. Part 8 discusses about the High Court of Union Territory of J&K. That High Court, J&K High Court will be the uniform High Court for the Union Territories of Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Part 5 discusses about the delimitation of constituencies. And part 3 discuss about the representation in legislatures. So FEDCBA is the correct order. Question number 6. A bill or amendment shall not be introduced in the Legislative Assembly except on the recommendation of option A President, option B Parliament, option C Lieutenant Governor, option D Governor. Friends, the correct answer is option C Lieutenant Governor. A bill or amendment shall not be introduced in the Legislative Assembly except on the recommendation of Lieutenant Governor. Question number 7 is match the following. First schedule talks about the Union Territory of J&K and the members of Council of State. So this is correctly matched. There are in total 4 members of Council of State appointed by the LG. Second schedule talks about the amendment to the delimitation of parliamentary constituencies. This is about parliamentary constituencies. Delimitation of parliamentary constituencies. Third schedule talks about the amendment to the delimitation of assembly constituencies. Okay. Fourth schedule talks about the oaths and affirmations, and fifth schedule is of central laws applicable to Union Territory. So all of these are correctly matched. The correct order will be A, B, C, D and E. Question number 8. Associate member means a member associated with the Delimitation Commission comes under which section? Option A section 85, option B section 50, option C section 55, option D section 60. Friends, the Delimitation Commission comes under the section 60. So your correct answer is option D, section 60. Part 5th of the J&K Reorganization Act talks about the delimitation of constituencies, and it extends from section 59 to section 64, in which section 60 talks about the Delimitation Commission. Okay. Question number 9. According to 5th schedule of J&K Reorganization Act 2019, how many central laws are applicable to the Union Territory of J&K? Option A 100, option B 106, option C 120, option D 130. Friends, the correct answer is option B 106. There are 106 central laws in total to be applicable to the Union Territory of J&K under the 5th schedule of J&K Reorganization Act 2019. Question number 10. Annual financial statement comes under which of the following parts of J&K Reorganization Act 2019? Annual financial statement, that is budget, comes under part 3rd of the J&K Reorganization Act of 2019. So option C is your correct answer. So friends, this concludes our today's topic. I hope this was informative for you guys, and for more such videos, please visit the links below. We have covered the current affairs of from January up to month of April. Also, we have covered almost all the parts of the GK portion of the syllabus of the Finance Account Assistant. Today's topic is the last one in that series. I hope you enjoyed it and this was informative. So that's it for today. Please guys, do like, share and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated to bring such more videos. So that's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.